Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Autodesk Fusion 360. So first you want to type Fusion 360 into your search engine, and then you want to click on Fusion 360 for free personal use. So you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Get Started. So I have an account with Autodesk, but if you don't have one, I suggest that you create one because you will need one in order to install the software. So in order to install the software, you click Download Fusion 360 now on the bottom of the page. Since I already have it installed, I'm not going to click it. But after you get the download, you should follow the steps in the download. Thank you.